Hello everyone. Evernote has been making a lot of updates and enhancements to their application, and this one here is a pretty good update that they've recently released to their product, and it involves sharing. So previously you could share your Evernote documents out there using a link, and you could share it to people who had Evernote, and that they can actually edit the note that you sent out there. But if you sent it to someone that did not have Evernote, they could pretty much just view the note that you sent out there. Now if you go in and you share, you do get the option to view like you could before, or the right now you get anyone with the link can edit. And this is absolutely anyone, because we'll go ahead and show you. If I was to go ahead and take that link, come up in here, let's copy this link, and we can see anyone can edit. It's still there. And if I open up a incognito or private browser here where I don't have any of my cache, so I'm not logged in here in the background, you can see that it will bring up that note, and it could do this before, but now I can actually go in there and I can type in this note and I can edit. So we have the other note in the background there. We'll shrink that one up so we can see both at the same time. And if I start editing this note, you can see it starts to update. Now there's one thing with this here, is that you do not get to see who's doing these updates. So whoever you send this to, they definitely make sure it's someone that you know, love, and trust. But if you want to know who's actually in the document and who's editing that, what you would need to do is you can send that same link out, but you'd have to send it to someone that has Evernote and that can log in. Now with this one here, if they have an Evernote account and you want to kind of see that type of functionality, they can just come in here and open and then log in to their account. We can actually even show this here with my account as I'm logged in. If I come in here and I type in that or paste in that same URL, if I make changes into this document here, you should start seeing that over here. Typically what you would see is my name, but right now it shows that open in Evernote as if I'm not logged in. So let's go ahead and log in, go through all the different prompts asking for access here, and let's cancel out of all this stuff here. I don't want to open it in the Evernote app. I want to keep it in the browser. So now if I come in here, you can see when I select this text, it's showing me logged in. It's also showing an icon up here with me being logged in and editing this particular document. So you can see all the changes that happen. Shows the little indicator that I'm the one doing it. Now if there's someone else logged in, you would see them as well. It's a really good improvement and enhancement to the application, piece of functionality that they give you out of the box, where you don't have to have someone on the other end that has an Evernote account. So that really opens up the functionality and the kind of the use cases for sharing here. Just be aware that anyone with this particular link can edit this particular document that you share out this way. If you want to go in and remove that access, you can come in here and you can unpublish that document. And eventually, if let's go in here and make sure we restricted access. Yes, we have. And eventually the restricted access will kick in, and then you won't have the ability, or people won't have the ability, to come in here and edit that particular doc. So let me refresh and see if that kind of helps here with this. And it's still cached in here, so let's open up a private window and see if we can force this to show this to us. We'll paste that link in there again. Let's go back to that, and you can see within the private window, or the private browser window here, being that there was no cache of me being logged in, it immediately asks for a login in order for this person to get access. But because we haven't actually shared it out, they should not have access to that even if they do log in. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you found value in the content I'm providing on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until the next time, have a nice day.